everybody, welcome back to my channel here on Sharon's Nail Boutique. Won't you be a love and smash that subscribe button, guys? We are doing an unboxing and review today. This amazing Amazon JODSONE 120 watt nail lamp, guys. And yes, it is a 2-in-1. It's a hybrid, has 54 LEDs, and it's gonna be amazing 2-in-1 lamp for y'all today. So yay, can't wait. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, now also you can fit both of your hands in this lamp comfortably, which is awesome because my last lamp supposedly you could fit both hands, but not really. This one also, the depth in here is just amazeballs. Okay, you can fit your hands in here deep and get all 5 fingers, all 10 fingers actually, cured properly. Okay, using Lola Jr. in this unboxing here. And so when you open it up, this is what you get. This is what it looks like on the inside. So they have it wrapped in this styrofoam sleeve, which isn't really much of a protection, but it did the trick. It protected it. I ordered this from Amazon. This is what you get inside the box. Nothing crazy special, just typical UV/LED lamp. Box is nothing crazy special, but it did arrive to me all in one piece, nothing broken. They did send it again with a US plug. This plastic here, I had to rip off. This is just to protect, I guess, the black color from scratches and dust and stuff like that. However, one bit of the plastic piece stayed like stuck in the side over there. Now, I have used this already on Lola. Obviously, I'm already done recording this video. I do like how the lamp cures the gel polish and the top coat. Now the real test is gonna be when we do poly gels and UV gels. So that'll be the real test. So we haven't tested that yet. However, I think when we test it out again or use it again, we're gonna go in and use our poly gels to see if it really works as good as I think it does. But thus far, I'm giving it a 4.5 stars out of 5 for everything all together. So we're just gonna show you real quick. It has the 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, and the slow setting 99-second. That is the slow heat, slow setting timer, and that is for people who have a reaction to the heat like all at once. So this basically gradually gets up to the temperature slowly over a 99-second length of time, whereas the other ones just get right up to the temperature right away. So here you have it. These are your 54 LEDs on the inside of your lamp. And this is your base here. It shows you can fit 2 hands decently, comfortably if you have. And one thing I really like about this lamp is it's much deeper. So you know how some lamps you put your hands in and you hit the back right away? Like this one. This is my 72 watt Sun H4 Plus lamp. Now it still works okay, but it's definitely seen better days and it's on its last hours. So you want to keep in mind the fact that these lamps only come with a certain amount of hour life. Now this one said 5,500, I think, or 55,000 hour lives. But keep that in mind, guys, because if you notice, like towards the end of your lamp life, you'll start noticing like your gels aren't curing as properly or as in much, you know, like they used to. They're still coming out sticky and stuff. That's what I noticed with my lamp, so I had to go ahead and find a decent one. I found this one that I've been seeing a lot actually, and it's on sale every so often, and I found it on sale again, and I'm like, you know what, let me just pick this up. I think it was a little over 20 bucks. I have Amazon Prime, which you can get 50% off if you're a state recipient. So state insurance, food stamps, cash, whatever, you can get it for 50% off. You just type in your state card number and it'll give you that every month. For $5.99 a month, you get Prime. So we're going in now with our perfect match mood gel polish. And actually, we're gonna go in with our sanding band first, and we're just removing the shiny surface. And now I would never do this on a natural nail plate. I wouldn't use my sanding band for that because this is for acrylics, not for the natural nail. Excuse me. But I'm just, for time's sake and just to be on the quick side, I'm using this to remove the shine so that we could just go right in with our Burano 3-in-1 base gel and then our perfect match mood. And this color itself, I believe, is called Sky something. Check. So this is called Sky's the Limit, and it's from Perfect Match Mood Color Changing Gel Polish line. I have so many gel polishes, guys, that I like never use. So the fact that I was able to, you know, use this today is awesome. And like I said, so I'm just gonna finish removing the shine and shortening down these nail tips. Now typically I would just use these nail tips and glue on another nail tip, but we're only reviewing the lamp today, so I really just wanted to show you guys how good the lamp works using gel polish. And maybe on another day we'll look at it using like poly gel or something like that. So I'll just finish removing the shine and we will move on to using our Burano 3-in-1 base gel. And there's so many good uses for this stuff, guys. You can literally use this stuff for your base gel. You can use it to glue down stones, to glue down tips, for slip solution, for gluing on so many different things. You could probably even use it for foil for all I know, but yeah, there's just so many uses for this stuff. Now, I did notice that I need a good dust collector. I need a good recommendation for a dust collector. I did happen to see Bio Seaweed gel. They actually have one on this site and it's like $80, and I'm so tempted to try it because I know the brand itself, Bio Seaweed, is a really, really good brand. So I'm really tempted to just go ahead and pick it up and try it because I am so over the fucking fact of all this dust all over the place. I can't take it anymore, guys. Seriously, it's like messing up my nails. Like the quality of my sets are that much worse because there's dust floating all through the air and it's landing on the nail plate. Like after I'm done doing someone's nails, there'll be so much dust in the air that when I come in to top coat, it's like it doesn't matter that I just clean the surface and shit because now all this stuff floating through the air is sticking to the nail again. And when I go into top coat, you can see like all the little fuzzies and shit on the nail. So I need help finding a good dust collector and a good top coat that's not gonna like separate from itself, if that makes sense, like oil and water type of effect. So we're just gonna finish up with this 3-in-1, going in with the base. The reason why I decided to use the base gel is because I wanted to see how good it cured with each of them. So they cured nicely, you know, the gel polish, the top coat, and the base gel, they all cured really nicely. So far so good, guys. This lamp is definitely on my recommended list, and I will be doing a video soon of all the products that I think are worth having in your collection. So now we're coming in with Sky's the Limit, and this is Perfect Match, their mood collection, or part of it anyways. I love this color, so pretty. And it goes from this darker blue to like a lighter, like baby blue color. It's like a baby teal blue color. Such a pretty color. Love this blue. So I'm just going in now with that first coat, and remember, you want long, thin, even strokes, guys. That's the best way to do gel polish because you don't want to like make it too thick because then it won't cure properly at all. It'll bubble and it'll just peel right off the nail. So you want to do long, thin, nice, even strokes. and move on to your next nail. Just make sure that you're brushing long, thin strokes, and make sure you're using up the color that's on your brush before you're dipping back into the bottle and pulling out a heap full. You don't ever want to have too much polish on your brush. You want to make sure that one side of that brush is clean and on one side you have your color. So always want to make sure that you don't have too much on your brush, because a little bit of gel polish goes a long way, especially depending on the brand. Like some of them are extremely pigmented. Like I've never used this gel polish since I bought it. It's the first time. I have so much stuff just laying around that I don't use. That's basically brand new still, or is brand new still. So I know a lot of stuff I'm going to be putting in the giveaway. Also gonna be getting a lot of brand new things, putting kits in there that I literally only tested, never used, ones that I haven't even tested. So I'm gonna be putting in a lot of stuff for you guys, lots of goodies, nail goodies, stuff to get you started, and all types of stuff. So yeah, hopefully we get to 1,000 sooner rather than later. But you know what, I've been doing this already for years, so I got all the time in the world to continue to build and grow with you guys. So let me know what you think I could be doing different or better, or if you like the way things are going and you're happy with my work. Yeah, just let me know. And so far so good with Lola Jr., guys. I'm really digging this nail so far. If you guys know of a better silicone hand, or not a better silicone hand, but if you know of any rings, any ring sets, or like a bracelet thing that I could get for Lola Jr., let me know in the comments, because I think I want to doll her up a bit. She needs a few rings. So yeah, I think we need to get her some rings. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what y'all think. And I'm going to come back in with a second coat after we cure these. We're just going to do the thumb really quick now, and then we will come back in with our second coat after they cure. But I put them in for 60 seconds, no more, no less. I always do 60 seconds usually with like gel polishes, but I always do 60 seconds anyways. But my poly gels, I usually do 60 seconds, and then I'll put them in again for 30 seconds. So 90 altogether usually, and that's just to ensure that I get a good cure. Sometimes your thumbs, like, because it's such a unusual, awkward part of your hand, you know, it's not like your fingers where they just run straight out. It's like a opposable extra digit, you know what I mean? It helps you grab things. So it's always one of those awkward nails that you have an issue getting into shot and stuff, but hey ho, we get there in the end. So I'm just gonna finish making sure that this is nice and smooth and even and nice and thin, and then we will put that in our lamp for 60 seconds, as I said, and we will return for our second coat. Yeah, I'm really digging this lamp, guys. It's not the most fanciest, and it's probably not the most best quality, but I think I'm gonna give it 4 out of 5 stars when I go and do my review, because I'm definitely a reviewer. It's one of the things I do here on my channel. I get nail products and I review them, and I buy them usually with my own money. It's very rare that I have a company reach out to me, especially now, because I'm not as big as some of the women I look up to on here, and I hope to be as big as them one day and have my own product line and everything. And if I do, it's gonna be sobomb.com. It's not even gonna be funny. Like, the quality is gonna be amazing because I'm extremely picky, so it's gonna be nice. I hope one day I will be honored enough or blessed enough to be able to say I have my own makeup line or nail product line. So that would be really nice, you know. It's just part of the goal and part of the dream, but you gotta keep moving forward, keep pushing forward, even if it feels like you're never gonna accomplish what you set forth to do. You've gotta keep going, because if you give up, it's just like any other time. It's like, okay, I threw in the towel because it got too difficult. That's when you should keep going, when it gets difficult. So once again, just long, thin, even strokes on our second go around. Just making sure that we're keeping it nice and smooth and even and thin. And that just looks so good, guys. Look at that second coat. That's amazing. So I dip back into my bottle, making sure I have enough, but not too much. I'm just going neatly, nice and neatly around that cuticle. Turning my brush on an angle if I need to. Long, thin, even strokes, capping my free edge. And making sure that those sidewall areas are nice and pulled in and thin, tucked, tapered. And then we will put them in our lamp for 60 seconds, guys. And then when they're done, we'll go in with our D&D no wipe top coat for another 60 seconds. And I like how this is censored, so it's automatic, obviously. As soon as you put your hand in, the light comes on, and you just pick your setting, your timer, and that's that. I like how it has the timer on there, how it counts down and all that, because some of them, they just turn on and turn off when they're done, and then you don't know like what the timer is actually setting at. Whereas these ones, you could actually see the timer, so that's nice. And I feel like this was a really, really good buy, guys. I feel like for the money, you get so much with this lamp. It's 120 watts, so that's really good. You're gonna be able to cure all your gels in this. And yeah, overall, like I said, I give it a 4 out of 5 stars, maybe even a 4.5 out of 5 stars. If you're shopping on Amazon, I highly recommend you pick up this lamp for yourself. And if there's any other products that you would like for me to pick up and review before you go and buy it, let me know in the comments below, guys. I will be happy to do that for you if it's available for me. And that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you don't mind. And definitely leave me a comment below, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.